Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Desi Nur Aina Lakutu. I'm student at the State University of Gorontalo from the Department of Chemistry, Study Program Chemistry Education, Class B. This time I will explain the result of the practicum module synthesis of urea hydrogen peroxide. Detail synthesis of urea hydrogen peroxide. Objective synthesis of urea hydrogen peroxide UHP crystals. Qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis of the amount hydrogen peroxide in UHP synthesis using permanganometry titration method. Literature review. One of the advantage of hydrogen peroxide with other oxidizing agents is that it's friendly environment because it does not leave harmful residue. Oxidizing power too can be adjusted according to units. The properties of aqueous solution of hydrogen peroxide different heat materials between water and hydrogens, bonding between water and hydrogen molecules peroxide. In split of all the advantage of hydrogen peroxide, the handling of its concentration is not desirable because of safety problems. Therefore, has attracted much attention since it is expensive, commercially available, stable, solid, and anhydrous source of hydrogen peroxide. Methods, tools, and materials. Tools, category 1, evaporation cup, measuring flask, drop pipette, beaker glass, LMayer, test tube shelf, spatula, watch glass, burette, and measuring cup. Category 2, oven, foam hood, analytical balance, and hot plate. Materials name, category general, aqueous, category specific, hydrogen peroxide, manganese dioxide, and urea. Experimental work scheme. The first, weighing urea as much as 66 grams and put it in a beaker glass. Weigh 150 grams of hydrogen peroxide and put it into a beaker glass containing urea. Stir until the urea solid is completely dissolved. Heating to 80 degrees Celsius using a water bath, moving the solution on the watch glass so that the solvent can evaporate slowly until the crystal is a solvent. Observing change. The result, crystal UHP result is 1.3657 gram. Next, weighing 0.1 gram of synthesis crystal and put it into a beaker. Add 1 drop of manganese into a beaker glass. Observe the bubbles of oxygen gas that are formed. The result, a few bubbles of oxygen gas formed. Discussion. In this practicum, we are synthesis urea hydrogen peroxide, where 12 ml of hydrogen peroxide is taken and dissolved with 1.2 grams of urea and then heated. The purpose of heating is to increase the solubility so that I can quickly produce crystal. The results obtained are white crystal and their weight is 1.3657 gram. The next method is qualitative analysis, which is a test that aims to test the presence of an element in a sample or the presence or absence of compound in a sample. In this method, 0.1 grams of UHP crystal are dissolved with distilled water, then added with solid manganese dioxide. The purpose of adding manganese dioxide is to catalyze and decompose hydrogen peroxide into hydrogen dioxide and oxygen. The result obtained is that there are bubbles of oxygen gas and a block solution. Conclusion. From the experiments that can be that have been carried out, the resulting UHP crystal weight is 1.3657 gram and urea yields is 96%. In the qualitative test, there are oxygen, gas bubbles, and a black solution.